How to scan QR code on Temu app. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Temu is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Temu app. At the center of the screen, tap on You. Head over to Coupons and Offers. Over here you'll be able to see 3 different categories: unused, used, and expired. But you have to head over to the section of unused. In this page, you'll see the section where it says Enter Coupon Code. All you want to do is enter your valid coupon code. After you have entered, simply tap on Apply right beside it. And if you have entered the correct and a valid coupon code, then it will be applied to you. With the help of these coupon codes, you'll be able to get certain amount of discount and offers. But you have to make sure that your coupon code is correct, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.